Hey friends, it's Mrs. Walker. For our lesson today, we're going to continue working with addition and we're going to work with the vertical form and our place value chart. So our learning goal for today says, I can make drawings to represent addition problems and relate it to the vertical form. So the materials that you'll need for this lesson is just your dry erase board. So make sure you have that before we get started. All right, friends, so here's our first problem. We have 126 plus 160. So I'm going to rewrite this in the vertical form. And now for this first problem, friends, I'll do all of the work and you guys can just make sure you pay close attention so you can learn the steps too. So after I've rewritten in vertical form, let's draw the place value chart first. Okay, so here I have my hundreds, tens, and ones. Now we can model both numbers on our place value chart because again, when we're adding, we have to model both of the numbers because we're combining them to find the whole. So 126 is 100, 2 tens, 6 ones. Then we need to model 160, which has 100, 6 tens, and 0 ones. So now we can solve the problem. So we're going to look in the ones place. Well, I have 6 ones plus 0 ones equals 6 ones. Then when I look at the tens place, I have 2 tens and 6 tens. So 2 tens and 6 tens is 8 tens. And then I look at my hundreds place. 100 plus another 100 equals 200. So 126 plus 160 equals 286. So notice, friends, the steps that we take are we have to draw our place value chart. We do a quick draw of each number, so the hundreds, tens, and ones for both numbers, and then we start in the hundreds place and add. Then we move to the tens place, and then we move to the hundreds place. Okay, so start in the ones, then tens, then hundreds. All right, let's take a look at another one. So here we have 326 plus 167. So again, I'm going to rewrite it in vertical form. We're going to draw our place value chart first. And I want you guys to pause the video and just rewrite this problem vertically and do your place value chart. Just draw it. You don't have to draw any numbers yet. Just rewrite in vertical form and draw a quick draw of your place value chart. And then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, friends. So here, your paper should look just like mine. Now, our next step is we can model both numbers on our place value chart. Okay, so you guys are going to pause the video. You're going to model 326 and you're going to model 167. So you're just drawing a quick draw of those two numbers. So pause the video, draw both numbers, and then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, friends, so here we have 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 6 ones for 326. Then to model 167, we would have 100, 6 tens, and 7 ones. Now, we know, again, remember you have to start in the ones place. So you guys are going to solve this problem on your own now. Start in the ones place. Remember, if you have more than 10 ones, you can compose a 10, right? You can make a new 10. If you have more than 10 tens, you can make 100. Okay, so you guys are going to pause the video, solve this problem with your place value chart in the vertical form, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause it if you need more time. Otherwise, here we go. So we always start in the ones place when we're adding. So we have 6 ones plus 7 ones. Well, right away I can look at that and see that it's going to be more than 10. So I know that I can bundle 10 ones and make a new 10. So when I have that left over, I have 3 left over. So I have 3 ones, and I have to mark that new 10 that I just made. So I'm going to put that on the line, the equal sign, in our vertical form. Now I move to my tens place. Well, I'm not quite sure if it's going to be more than 10 because it's really close when I look at that. So I would just count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's only 9. So I can put 9 in my answer. Then I move to the hundreds place. 3 hundreds plus 100 equals 400. So 326 plus 167 equals 493. All right, friends, so we got this. We could do it. So now what you guys are going to do is you're going to have this brand new problem and you're going to solve it all on your own. So use your place value chart and the vertical form to help you solve. Pause the video, do that, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. Otherwise, here we go. So again, we need to draw our place value chart again real quick. We are going to model 462 as 4 hundreds, 6 tens, and 2 ones. Then we model 284 as 2 hundreds, 8 tens, and 4 ones. We start in the ones place. 2 ones plus 4 ones. Oh, that's only 6, so I don't have to bundle anything. So I can just put 6 in my answer. Now I move to the tens place. Ooh, 6 tens and 8 tens. I know that that's definitely more than 10 tens. So I'm going to bundle 10 tens and make 100, right? Because 10 tens equals 100. So now I have 4 tens left over, and that new 100 that I just made goes right here in my vertical form. Then I need to add the hundreds place, which happens to be 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is 7. So 462 plus 284 equals 746. Okay, great job with that one, friends. All right, so high five to you guys for using those math drawings to represent our addition problems and relating it to the vertical standard algorithm, or the vertical form. So super job, friends. So please head back on over to the module to see what you need to complete for your independent practice. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, friends!